Good morning, student. It is question number 3 of exercise 24G. Find the angle between the line r vector equal to I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda 3I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap and plane r vector dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap equal 3. We know that angle between a line whose equation are r equal r1 vector plus lambda m vector and a plane r vector dot n vector equal d is given by sin theta equal m vector dot n vector by mod m vector mod n vector. In order to find the acute angle, we put mod value. We take mod value of m vector dot n vector. Now, where theta is the angle between the line and the plane. Then from the given equations, m vector equal r vector equal r1 plus lambda m vector means m vector equal 3I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap and r dot n equal 3. Then n vector is the normal vector to the plane and m vector is a vector parallel to the given line. If theta be the angle between given line and plane, then sin theta equal m vector dot n vector by mod m vector mod n vector and take positive value. And m vector dot n vector means 3I cap dot j cap plus 2k cap. It is m vector dot n vector is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Magnitude of m vector, which is 3 square minus 1 square plus 2 square, and magnitude of n vector is 1 square 1 square 1 square. Then sin theta equal 3 minus 1 plus 2 by root 14 into root 3. We get theta equal 4 by 42. Then theta equal sin inverse 4 by root 42. If the line given in Cartesian form means if we change this line in Cartesian form, we get Cartesian form x minus x1. We know that Cartesian form of a line is x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1. x1, y1, z1 are coefficient of I cap, j cap, k cap in r1 vector, and a1, b1, c1 are coefficient of I cap, j cap, k cap in m vector. Means now change this equation of line in Cartesian form, we get x minus 2 by 3 y plus 1 by minus 1 z minus third point means 3 by 2 and plane change the equation of plane in Cartesian form, we get r vector equal xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and the equation of plane becomes x plus y plus z equal 3. Suppose the equation of line in this form and equation of plane is this. If theta be the angle between line and plane, then sin theta equal sum of the product of their direction ratio, means direction ratio of line are a1 b1 c1 and direction ratio of normal vector of plane are a2 b2 c2. Then sin theta equal a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 by mod of a1 square, mean square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, means mod of m vector, and mod of n vector, means a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Now a1 b1 c1 are 3 minus 1 2 and a2 b2 c2 are, sorry, it is 1 coefficient of x y z 1. Put these value in this formula, we get sin theta equal a1 a2 means 3 into 1 plus b1 b2 means minus 1 into 1 plus c1 c2 means 2 into 1 upon square root a1 square means 3 square, b1 square means minus 1 square plus c1 square means 2 square, a2 square means 1 square, b2 square 1 square, c2 square is also 1 square. We get 4 by root 42. Then the angle between the line and the plane is sin inverse 4 by root 42, and it is answer.